we're back for another video. We noticed on the last video we didn't introduce ourselves. Our bad. I'm Destiny.
I'm Angela.
Alright, and today's video we're gonna do the spit take challenge where we try to make each other laugh. We know we're doing old videos, but like old videos are the best videos.
Old but gold?
Yes. Okay, so basically for this challenge we're just gonna have a mouthful of water and we're gonna like
try and make each other laugh.
yeah, and whoever spits like, loses. So I know I'm gonna win. No doubt
I'm
about
gonna
it.
win because she spits all the time. So
Whatever.
we got this.
All right, let's do this.
Let's go.
Okay.
Get some water.
Some water.
Some water. I know. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2,
2, 3. I can't wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna win.
No, I refuse to let you win.
Mariah Carey? Alright.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay. Told you guys I would win. But I kind of lost at the same time. That was
The
nasty.
true winner isn't me because that was very entertaining for me.
Spit all up in my face.
She was covered in
I
my
am.
spit. You're very welcome. Okay, so that video may not have been as entertaining for you guys as it was for us.
It's pretty fun.
But make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and follow us on our social media.
Links will be in the bottom.
At the bottom. And then if you guys like have any like ideas for videos you guys want us to do, we'll do them. So just comment the videos you guys would like us to do. And yeah, we'll be posting up a video soon. Please subscribe. Alright, bye guys.